Welcome to my newest listing at 13038 Shenandoah Drive, Lakeside, California. I'm Cody Stam with Whissel Realty Group, and this home features brand new carpet, freshly painted inside and out, a new AC, and a new roof. Now, onto my favorite part of the home, the 750 square foot, fully permitted workshop out in the back. Let's go take a look. The last added bonus to this home is its proximity to downtown Lakeside. You'll find here local eateries, some unique shops to go find things you've never seen before. Another thing that's really cool about this home is how close it is to Lindo Lake Park. You'll see they've gone through some crazy renovations to make this thing modern and safe for dog walks or just places to take the kids to hang out. I hope you guys enjoyed this home as much as I have. Feel free to contact me down below.